Hey guys, now we will solve the question number 13 and we will see what the question says. 20 meters of wire is available for fencing of a flower bed in the form of a circular sector. Then the maximum area in square meter of the flower bed is. Let's just see what the question is providing us. The first thing we can see is that 20 meters of wire is given us for fencing of a circular sector. That means you are given with the circumference of the circular sector and they have already given us that is 20 meters. That means r plus r plus theta r is given to us as 20. And also you can see in this figure r plus r plus theta r is given to us as 20. So after adding this, it would be 2r plus theta r equal to 20. Now we will calculate the area of circular sector and that is simply given by the formula theta plus 2 pi into pi r square. And after you will simplify this theta by 2 pi into pi by r square. The pi got cancelled out. We will be having theta r square by 2. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the value of theta from this particular equation and we are going to put that in the equation of our area. Once we are going to do it, here the theta would be calculated as 20 minus 2r upon r. We are going to just simply put this value in a and then this particular 10r minus r square would be achieved. Now for area to be maximum, we are going to differentiate area with respect to radius, and by doing so this equation will be reduced to 10 minus 2r. And for area to be maximum, we have to keep this derivative equal to 0. The moment we will do that, the value of r would be 5. And again we have to look for the double derivative, and as you can see the double derivative is minus 2, that is less than 0. That means for r equal to 5 we are achieving maximum for a. Now as we have to calculate the maximum area, we will simply going to put the value of r in our original equation. So that means 2 into 5 plus 5 into theta equal to 20. And once you calculate this equation, theta is going to be simply come out be 2 radian. And once we have both r and theta, just substitute that value and here in this a here and here we can see 2 into r square. R is 5, that is 25 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled out and our answer is coming out to be 25 square meter. The option 2 is the correct one.